Good afternoon and welcome to Toolforce Tuesday. This week we're giving you a look at the Draper 2.8 kilowatt electric fan heater. So these are high efficiency electric heater with thermostatic control. So at the top you can adjust the thermostat to whatever setting you wish. You've got two heat settings, half or a full heat setting, and it also can be used as a fan. These are very, very powerful, ideal for heating an office or heating in your home using it as a room heater. We have these on offer at the minute at €66.32. They've been reduced from €99. If you click the link on the video here, it'll bring you straight to them on our website. Thank you very much for watching. It's Damien from Toolforce.